Hello, this is Chris Smith with Intellegration, and we're here to demonstrate yet another tool today. This one is the Makita Sawzall style reciprocating saber saw, and it is similar to the circular saw in that it is attached to a long pull tool with the pivoting head, and this allows the Sawzall, as you normally would, start with the blade flat with the surface for doing a plunge cut, and then bringing it in is what we'll demonstrate today. Also, there's a hook where the tool can be suspended by the hook and put into position with a crane instead of using the pole. For this first demonstration, we're actually going to use the pole. So first of all, the pole has to be adjusted to the desired operator's height. There's an adjustment knob in the back side here. And I'm going to bring this up a little bit here because I think we're going to have to be a little bit higher. On the other end of the handle, now on this on the adjusting pole here, it's got the 3 degree of freedom. You can move it linearly in and out. You can tilt it, or the pitch action, and you can also yaw or pivot it about the vertical axis. This gives complete degrees of freedom for being able to position the end effector to do a desired cut. Now, looking down at the saw there, my objective is to come into the piece of wood here to get the saw cutting like this, and then I'll tip up the saw as I cut through. All right. Down on the handle here, we can see that in order to produce that action, we've got a handle here that is adjustable. I can get this to some comfortable position so that my grip can be maintained here. In this case, I'm having to twist it a little bit clockwise from my end. So I'm going to put this down here so I can get a nice grip on it. This lever here actually does the pivoting action. I can lock that handle in position if I need to, but as I push this down, it also pushes the head down. All right, let's just look at the handle here. So the action is pushing the handle down here. It pulls on the rod, pulls on the linkage down there, and pivots it. So, backing up to the saw here, I'm going to set it down on this end, and in this case, we've got a foot switch. We also have a locking trigger switch, so I'm going to pull the trigger switch and lock it in. So now that the saw is active and ready to go, and now all the power can be done by operating the foot switch down here. So we're going to step on the foot switch here and get it going and make the slice here. Your operator can go ahead and grab the debris, and when it gets ready to free, they can discard it. And that's the demonstration of Intellegration's new reciprocating saber saw. Thank you very much.